Hello students. My previous topic was calcination process and the manufacture for Portland cement calcination process. Now today I will discuss about reaction inside the furnace. What are the reaction performed during manufacture of Portland cement inside the furnace? Okay. Now the first reaction is the water gets removed. The water H2O gets removed from the upper part of the furnace where the temperature is 800 degrees centigrade. Now first reaction is water gets removed from slurry as a water vapor from the upper part of the furnace. Now reaction 1 complete. Now second reaction, the in the middle region of the furnace, the limestone means calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Limestone get reduced to lime, CaO, lime, and carbon dioxide, CO2. In the middle region of the furnace, the limestone gets reduced to lime and carbon dioxide is released then middle region of the furnace. Then carbon dioxide is released from the furnace. Now the third reaction, the lime and clay. This silica, alumina, iron oxide is known as clay. Okay. Now lime and clay means SiO2 plus Al2O3 plus Fe2O3. It's all are known as clay. Okay. Now lime, this is lime and clay, SiO2 reacts together to form in the lower region of the furnace. The lime and clay reacts together where the temperature is 1500 degrees centigrade. They form dicalcium silicate, tricalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate, dicalcium silicate, tricalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate, and tetracalcium alumina ferrite. Okay. Now first reaction, water gets removed from the upper part of the furnace. Okay. Now in the middle region of the furnace, calcium carbonate gets reduced to lime and carbon dioxide is then released from the furnace. Okay. Now in the lower region of the furnace, the third part of the furnace, the lime and clay reacts together to form dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate, and tetracalcium alumina ferrite. Okay, now this compound, the above compound here in the lower region, temperature, you all know, temperature is 1500 degrees centigrade. Now this compound is formed. Now this compound, the above compound, at the high temperature of the lower part of the furnace, at the high temperature, the above compound is melts, and as a result, a grayish black color small stones are formed. Okay, small black small stones are formed. Okay. Now at the high temperature of the furnace, the above compound is melts and form black color small stones are formed. These black color small stones are known as clinker. This is known as clinker, CLINKER. Okay. Now from this the important question is, what is clinker or define clinker? Now the small stones, the calcium carbonate, the dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate, tetracalcium alumina ferrite, when at the high temperature is melts and grayish black color small stones are formed. These are known as clinker. Okay. Now the next step is condensation. In a condenser, this clinker is taken in a condenser. Okay, this now This clinker is taken in a condenser and is condensed by cold water. Then the materials is passed through ball mill in order to form extremely fine powder. Okay. Now in a condenser, this clinker is taken in a condenser and cooled with cold water. Okay. Now the materials is passed through the ball mill in order to get extremely fine powder form. Now finally 2 to 3% gypsum is added to this material, but to this above materials. Okay. 2 to 3% gypsum. Okay. Now the finally is cement is produced. Okay. Now the next portion is causes of setting and hardening of cement. What are the cause of setting and hardening of cement? You know, the setting of cement is a complex process. The setting of cement is a complex process. This is mainly due to hydration and hydrolysis of constituents of cement. When cement is added with water or water is added with cement, then water reacts with calcium compound present in cement to form aqueous calcium hydroxide, aqueous calcium silicate and aqueous calcium aluminate crystal. Now the setting process of a cement is a complex process. This is mainly due to hydration and hydrolysis of constituents of cement. Okay. When water is added with cement, then water reacts with calcium compound present in the cement to form aqueous calcium hydroxide, calcium silicate and calcium aluminate crystals. Now these crystals are intermixed. Among themselves and to form a network with sand grains, with sand grains. This compound forms and these compounds are intermixed among themselves to form a network with sand grains, which is accounts for the setting of cement. Okay. Now cement is a complex process. Setting of a cement is a complex process. This is mainly due to hydration and hydrolysis of constituents of cement. When water is added with cement, then water reacts with calcium compound present in cement to form calcium hydroxide, aqueous calcium silicate and calcium aluminate crystals. These crystals are intermixed among themselves to form a network with sand grains. Okay, which is accounts for the setting and hardening of cement. Now the reaction is this: dicalcium silicate water react calcium silicate, this is aqueous, and calcium hydroxide. Okay, similarly, now from this topic the question also you get the write down the reaction during setting and hardening of cement, then you will write this reaction. Okay, if the question is this type of write down the reaction during setting and hardening of cement, then you will write this answer. Okay, or if you will get the answer of what are the cause of setting and hardening of cement, then also you will write these reactions and also some explanation. Okay. Now I will discuss the cement mortar. Okay, cement mortar. The question from this topic is define cement mortar or define cement concrete or define lime mortar, mention one or two use. Okay. Now what is cement mortar? Definition: cement mortar is a mixture of cement, sand and water. Okay. Cement mortar is the mixture of cement, sand. Cement, sand means barley, and water. Cement mortar is a mixture of cement, sand and water. Mention its use. Use is for external plaster or for to join bricks or stones or water channels like or dams, etc. Okay. Now cement concrete, you all know cement concrete. What is cement concrete? Cement concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, water and stone chips. Okay. It is a mixture of cement. Cement concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, stone chips and water. It is used for the constructions of building, you all know, for constructions of road, also used in roofs, also used in floors, etc. Okay. Now lime mortar. Lime mortar is a mixture of lime, sand and water. Okay. Now cement mortar is cement, sand and water. Cement concrete is cement, sand, water and stone chips. Lime mortar is lime, sand and water. It is lime mortar is also used for internal or external plaster, or also used for the constructions of building, etc. Now the important from this topic is plaster of Paris. What is plaster of Paris, or how would you obtain plaster of Paris? From gypsum. Now when gypsum, how would you obtain plaster of Paris from gypsum? If the question, then the answer is when gypsum is heated. When gypsum is heated at 120 degrees centigrade, this is the formula of gypsum: CaSO4, calcium sulfate, and 2 molecules of water, 2H2O. Okay, calcium sulfate. When gypsum is heated to 120 degrees centigrade, then some molecules of water are removed and form calcium sulfate and half molecules of water. Okay. Then when gypsum is heated at 120 degrees centigrade, then plaster of Paris is obtained. If the temperature is raised, or if the temperature is greater than 120 degree, then all water molecules is removed and form anhydrous calcium sulfate. Anhydrous means there is no any water molecule, or anhydrous means anadro calcium sulfate তৈরি হবে যদি টেম্পারেচার 120 ডিগ্রি সেন্টিগ্রেডের থেকে বেশি করা হয়। If the temperature is raised, or if the temperature is greater than 120 degree centigrade, then anhydrous calcium sulfate is obtained. Okay. Now how do you obtain plaster of Paris? When gypsum is heated at 120 degree centigrade, then plaster of Paris is obtained. The short question from this topic is write down the formula of gypsum, calcium sulfate and 2 ml of plaster of Paris, calcium sulfate and half molecules of water. Okay. Now the plaster of Paris use, what are the use? Plaster of Paris is used for the coating of inner wall of houses, and you all know it is also used for various decorative purpose, and also used in the mainly surgical bandage. Plaster of Paris are also medicinal uses, surgical bandage ব্যবহার করা হয়। Plaster of Paris is used for coating of inner wall of houses and for various decorative purpose and for surgical bandage. Now the cement chapter is complete, your revision. Now next day I will discuss next topic. Okay.